7 o'clock, 7 o'clock. I can get up now. Oh my god, I'm going to school now. Good. I'm not a student. Then I sleep until I'm not student, but I'm a teacher. I go to school now. 10. Hello everyone, welcome back to Math with Miss Anna. In the lesson today, I will introduce to you the time, the digital clock. We write the time in digital fashion like this. This kind of clock is called analog clock and it is important. We will learn how to read them. Most analog clocks have just two hands, a short hand and a long hand. The short hand showing the hour, the long hand showing the minute. This analog clock had a third hand showing the second. I'm showing you the direction in which they go. This is called clockwise. The long hand starts at the 12 and moves around. When it makes a full circle, an hour has passed. The short hand is also very important. It shows the hour of the time. For example, the short hand is pointing to the 8. The short hand is pointing to the 10. Sometimes the short hand will be between two numbers. In that case, you have to think that the hands go clockwise. So, what is the number that the short hand just passed? For example, I just showed you that it just passed the 10. That is for the short hand. So students, that is the short hand. What about the long hand? You are going to start at number 12 of the clock. The long hand being there always means it is an o'clock, and then we count by 5. It's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and 60. You can't see what I'm doing here, but we never use 60 when writing time in digital form. So I'm going to cross that out. Instead, we always write 2 zeros in that place. The 2 zeros indicate an o'clock, which means only the hour is red. For example, this is 6 o'clock. You will write 6, 2 dots, 0, zeros. Next, this is 4:10. You will write 4, 2 dots, and 10. This is 10:55. You write 10, 2 dots, and 55. Now that you have some background, it's time to tell the time in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Start with the shorthand. Step 2. Write the column. Step 3. Finish with the longhand. Let's try another one. Exercise 1. Write the time of each. On the screen, we have 4 clocks. This is an analog clock. It has 2 hands, short hand and long hand. The short hand shows the hour and the long hand shows the minutes. Part A. Do you remember 3 steps above? Step 1. Start with the short hand. The short hand is pointing at 3. You write number 3 down. Step 2. Write the colon. You write 2 dots after the number 3. Step 3. Finish with the long hand. The long hand is pointing at 12, but that represents 0 minutes. So the clock is showing 3 o'clock. Similar with part B, C, and D. You can pause video until you find the answer. Okay students, this is the answer of part B, C, and D. Now I have challenge for you. You can pause video until you can find the answer. Okay students, this is answer. Exercise 2. Draw the shorthand and the long hand to show the correct time underneath each clock. First one, we have the clock show 5 o'clock. You can draw the shorthand pointing at number 12 or number 5. Exactly, it's number 5. Then draw the long hand pointing at number 12. Similarly, part B, C, and D. I will show you the answer. Now, I have challenge for you. Each part D, E, and F. You can pause video until you can find the answer. Okay, students, this is the answer of part D, E, and F. Okay, students, that's all the lesson today. Don't forget 3 steps above. The first step, you need to find where to start. With E, the shorthand. Step 2, write the column. Now, we don't have the third hand written, so we are gonna start at 12 and count by 5. Step 3, finish with the long hand. Write the long hand. Remember to keep practicing. Thanks for watching. Goodbye and see you.